a class here, you check the list. If is there anybody outside of this class, inform me. This screen is visible to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I am starting the class. Last class, I have told you to solve the recurrence relation. Actually, there are three approaches used. Three approaches are used. These are called the substitution method, recursive tree method, and master theorem. That first, I'll discuss about the substitution method. What is substitution method? Substitute the given function again and again until given function is removed. Take an example, then you can understand it. Suppose I have to solve this recurrence relation. Tn is equal to 1 if n is equal to 1. Tn equals to Tn minus 1 plus n if n greater than 1. I have to solve it. Now I am solving it. I have written Tn is equal to Tn minus 1 plus n. What is it? It is actually I have to solve this one. Know this. So I will write Tn is equal to Tn minus 1 plus n. Then I will check. So I have written it Tn minus 1 plus n. Okay. Now I have to substitute. How will substitute it? If Tn is equal to Tn minus 1 plus n, so what will be the value of Tn minus 1? Tn minus 1 minus 1 plus n minus 1. Okay. So what will be the value?
N minus 2.
Tn minus 2. And here what will be value? N minus 1. Okay. Instead of n, I'll write the n minus 1. Okay. Now T n minus 10. So what will be the value? T n minus 100. That is some examples has been given here. So if I write T n minus 1, now I am substituting it. N minus 2 plus n minus 1. This will be the value. Okay, got it, everybody? So
Yes.
yes, I am substituting
Yes,
just the value I am substituting. So same thing I have written here. Tn minus 1 plus n. Next I am writing Tn minus 2 plus n minus 1. This one after one after I am writing. So finally, when we are checking, so T100, suppose as per example T100, what is coming T100? T100 is equal to coming T99 plus 100. In this form it is coming. Okay. So here it is written Tn minus 100 plus n minus 99 plus n minus this. In this way it is written up to the some terms. Okay. Now I am repeating it up to the n minus 1 times. If I repeat it n minus 1 times, then what will be the value? Just you replace the value, substitute the value. Tn minus n minus 1 plus n minus 2 plus n minus 1. This value will come. So just you continue it. Now at last you can find n minus 1 plus n minus 0. In this format you can get it. In this format you can get it. Again I am telling, we are substituting one after one. Tn is equal to Tn minus 1 plus n, it is given. Now instead of n, I am writing n minus 1. Instead of n, here assume n is equal to n minus 1. So here also it will be the n minus 1, here it will be the n minus 1. Okay. So this value. Now next I will replace it by n minus 2. Next I will replace it n minus 3. Now I will replace n by n minus 4. In this way, I'll replace one after one. Now at finally I will replace it by n minus 1. So that value I want to find out. But before that, just I have assume with some value, suppose n minus 100, then what will be the corresponding value that we have written here. Now I am repeating of this series up to n minus 1 times. Now this is coming. Okay, this is coming. Obviously, last value n minus 0, that will be the same. Previous value will be n minus 1 here. Also here n minus 1. Previous to previous value will be n minus 2. Here also it will be the n minus 2. In this way. Got it? Now, Tn minus n minus 1 means what is the value? Tn, T1. Next value is what? N minus 2 means what? 2.
2.
Next value is what? 3. Next value is what? 4. So up to this dot 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 n minus 1 plus n. N minus 0 means n. N minus 1 means n minus 1. So that I have written. So T1, what is the value of T1? It is given in the definition. If n is equal to 1, 1. That I put the value of Tn. And other value is what? 2 plus 3 plus 4 up to n minus 1 plus n. So it is simply, we are adding it. It is a natural value, just I am adding it. N into n plus 1 by 2 by formula. You know it. So what will be the result? It will be the form of the n square, na? Do you know what? Just you calculate it, it will be the maximum terms with the n square. So you know the maximum terms I have to take. That is the largest terms I have to take. So n square is the largest term here. You give me just here you can find n square terms, n term, some constant value, but n square will be the larger which compares to the other. So here I will take the n square as the time complexity. So here we have found it is the big of n. You can write big of n square or omega of theta. Understood? Understood, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So this is the substitute method. Now other two methods is the recursive tree method and master theorem. The recursive tree method and master theorem, I am taking the help of a website. A Java Point website I am using for the recursion tree. Now one example, just taking one example, then I am telling you. I think it will be better to you. See, here, look at here. Suppose this recurrence relation has been given. Tn is equal to 2Tn by 2 plus n square. That has been given to you. So here, what are the procedure is that recursion tree method is pictorial representation of an iteration method, which is in the form of a tree where each level nodes are expanded. Okay, in the tree format I will show this relation. Okay, in general we consider second term in recurrence as root. Second term means what? This term. In this case it is the this term. It will be treated as the root. Okay, and this is left. It is useful when the divide and conquer algorithm is used. There are different approach of the algorithm. Divide and conquer algorithm, among which it is used. As for example, for the binary search, for the merge search, divide and conquer algorithm is used. So for this type of algorithm, recurrence tree method is generally applicable. So one example I am taking here. Tn is equal to 2Tn by 2 plus n square. So if n square, here n square, this term I am making as the root. Okay. And what is the other term? Other term is the 2Tn by 2. So 2Tn by 2 means what? Tn by 2 plus n by 2. So Tn by 2 and Tn by 2. Is not it? Understood? So left root
Yes, sir.
and right root. So that I will elaborate one after one. So if it is n square and I want to find out Tn by 2 and Tn by 2. So Tn by, instead of n, it will be the n by, you assume that it is the n by 2. So n by 2 square, it is the n by 2 square. Because instead of n, if you assume it is the n by 2, so can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Connection,
sir.
connection was lost. That's why. Connection was lost. So again, I am repeating. So instead of n, you assume that it is the n by 2. So if it is n by 2, it will be n by 2 whole square. Okay. So that is written here. N by 2 whole square. And 2, another t n by 2 is there. So yeah, it will be n by 2 whole square also. Understood or not?
Sir, repeat, sir, please.
I am repeating. Tn equals to 2tn by 2 plus n squared. So here n square is the root, and 2tn by 2 means 2 times tn by 2. So left side 1, right side another. Okay. So again means that what? Again I am calling the same function using the value n by 2. So if I call with n by 2, so it will be the n by 2 whole square. Instead of n, it will be the n by 2.
Yes, sir.
So that
Yes, sir.
that is written here, n by 2 whole square. So right side also it will be the n by 2 whole square, because it is also tn by 2. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Now add this and this, it will come n square by 2. Now n by 2 whole square. So again I am calling this. So again it will be the n by 2 by 2 whole square, means what? N by 4 whole square. I am elaborating it, expanding it. So it will be the n by 4 whole square. Same way, this one, this one. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So here I am summing it up all in the same level. So it will come n square by 4. Just you add it. In this way, I am extending it up to n terms. So if you extend it, so after extending, you can see that the height will be the log n. The height will be the log n. Means see, it is reduced. The height will be reduced in the log n way. See, at first it is divided 2, then again divided 2. So can you remember the binary search at the preliminary, when I have discussed about the algorithm using the binary search? I have discussed, and why the binary
Yes, sir.
search having the complexity
Sir.
log n.
Yes, sir.
Can you remember? Log n क्यों हो रहा है? Because height
Yes,
was
sir.
log n. Because log
Yes,
n
sir.
times it is reduced. So here also height will be the log n, and it is a balanced tree. Check it, it is a balanced tree. Left side and right side root having the balanced. So here you can say that the height is log n. So log n time it will be divided. Okay, until the single unit. How many times it will be divided? Until a single unit. That is the log n times. So just you simply add. So each level time needs what? This level n square, this level n square by 2, this level n square by 4. Now add it, n square plus n square by 2 by plus n square by 4. It is a GP series. So if you add it, just I am not giving this complex these things. Not complex, just you add it, then you can find it is a summation that is 0 to infinity. Infinity has been given here because I don't. It depends on the problem. So it is the 1 by 2 to the power I. In this way it is given, and here n square will come each time, because it is the 2 to the power 1. It is 2 square, then 2 cube. In this way it will come. That's why it is given here 2 to the power I. Okay. Now if you add it, obviously it will be the term to the n square. So n square less than is equal to n square. So here it is Fn and Gn relation has been given here. Fn and Gn. This is the whole thing Fn, and it is the Gn. That type of relation has been given here. So, but here majority terms is the n square. So you can say it is the theta of n square, or big O of n square, or omega of n square. You can write here. Okay. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Another
sir.
example I'm taking today. There is a network problem. That's why disconnecting again and again. Another example, Tn is equal to Tn by 3 plus T2n by 3 plus n. So here n is the root. N is the root. Here n square likha hai. That is wrong. N is given here. N. So left side n by 3, right side 2n by 3. Okay. So if it is n by 3, suppose value instead of n, you assume that is the n by 3. Then what will be the value? N by 3 by 3. Here n by 3 by 3 means n by 9. And here 2n by 3 by 3 means 2n by 9. And here instead of n, you assume that 2n by 3 is there. So 2n by 3 means what? 2n by 9. And 2n by 3 into 2 means what? 4n by 9. Is it clear to everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So
Yes,
you just continue it, you expand it, and each level you sum up. So it is n. If you sum up this and this, you can find n. This is find n. Okay. So each time you can find the n times each level. This is the level. Each level you hello.
Yes, sir.
So here, so have you understood why it is coming n by 9, 2n by 9, 2n by 9, and it is the 4n by 9? Have you understood? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So you sum up each level, it will come n. Now note that it will not be a balanced tree. Why? Because here much more term are there. See here n by 9, 2n by 9. But here 2n by 9 is there as well as 4n by 9 is there. Okay. So 4n by 9 and here 2n by 9 and here n by 9, 2n by 9. So which having the more terms? Here we'll have the more terms. So always it is the right bias tree. That is right side. In the right side, the height will be more than the left side. See from the starting, it is the less term. It has the more term. So here it will be the right biased tree. It will be not a balanced tree. Understood? So here we have to consider the height. Here we have to in the previous example, we have not considered the height. We have not considered the height. In the previous example, we have not considered the height. We have, because here balanced tree, does height, whatever is that does not matter. Only it matters each level it is taking how much time and all we are summing up. But here it is not the balanced tree. So here what will be the height? Maximum height will be the log n, obviously. And each level it is taking the n times. So total time will be n log n. Total time will be the n log n. Okay, that's why here it is giving. No need to understand everything. Just you check it that it is not the balanced tree. So obviously it depends on the height. Okay. So height is what? Every time it is divided 2 times. So height will be the log n. And each level it is taking the n times. So obviously here time complexity will be n log n. So it is the recurrence tree method. In this way it is calculated. More example you practice, then it will be clear to you. Got it, everybody? Clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes,
come to the master method. Master method actually it is like a cookbook. That is everything, every recipe is ready to you. Just read the book and you cook. So here, as for example, that should be the in the form of the, if the recurrence relation is given in this form, that is Tn equals to a Tn by b plus Fn. In this form, must in this form it will be there. If it is not in this form, you cannot solve this recurrence relation using master method. Mind it. Okay. So it has the three cases. Case one, Fn means what? Fn means this one. Fn means this one. Fn. Fn is, so what will call time complexity? Actually, time complexity depends on Fn. Also, you have seen time complexity depends on Fn in the recurrence tree method, because every time we have seen it depends on this one, right side value. That is here we have taken it as the root, and here also you have seen that is the n value. N value means what? Right side value. So it is the Fn. So Fn is the very important. So case 1, Fn will be the big O of n to the power log a base b minus epsilon. A base b, log a base b. So what is a and what is b? It is a and it is b. Okay, don't forget it. Minus epsilon. Epsilon is the some constant value which is greater than 0. Greater than 0, mind it. Since the leaves grow faster than f, asymptotically all of the work is done leaves. So Tn is equal to here theta n to the power log a base b. Just a minute. अच्छा तुम लोग सब roll number दो. अच्छा, note, all of you note roll number, give the roll number, class roll number. From today, give your roll number as the class roll number, not the university roll number. ठीक है? Class roll number दो. Am I audible to you?
Yes, sir.
Don't give the
Yes,
university
yes.
roll number, class roll number. From today onwards. अच्छा, one thing is that your CA 2 exam and PCA 1 exam will be taken on Tuesday. Tuesday, according to your routine, you are having the theory class as well as you are having the lab class in the second half. In the first half, on which period in the 11-10, I think, you are having the theory class. So on that class, I will take the CA 2 exam. Syllabus is up to this class, and I'm finishing this class, don't worry. And in the second half time, according to the routine, will be conducted PCA 1 exam along with the Viva. How I'll take the Viva? Within this syllabus, I'll take the Viva, and in which order you will be called, that I will send it in the WhatsApp group. Got it, everybody? The case
Yes, sir.
one, so case 1, it will be the big O of n to the power log a base b minus c in this form. I am giving the example, then you will understand. The case 2, it will be the Fn is, that is not just what yielding the Tn total, it will be, so the Fn is theta of n to the power log a base b. Okay. Leaf grow the same rate as f, so the same order of work is done at every level of done. Actually here Fn and Gn will be the same. That's why here theta given. Okay. And here Fn will be the greater than of Gn. That's why this is said here. The meaning of this you can understand when I have defined the Fn and Gn. Okay. Okay. So it will be in the form of theta n log a base b log n. It is the time complexity of this form. I am giving the example, then you will understand it. And case 3 is Fn is omega of n to the power log a base b plus epsilon. In this form, okay, if Fn is, you can define, if in this form Fn you can define, then its time complexity will be this. That is this. Theta of Fn. That is it. What is the terms of Fn? That will be the time complexity. Take one example. Suppose it is given to you Tn is equal to 4 Tn by 2 plus n. So here, what is A? A value is 4, B value is 2. Okay, and Fn is n. ये समझ में आया सबको? So in this form we can depict, so we can solve it using the master method. बोलो समझ में आया सबको?
Yes, sir.
So I can, at first you have to check whether I can solve it using the master method or not. If in this form, that is the, again I am telling you, if any reconciliation can be depicted in this form, only that you can solve it using master method. So we can solve it. Now here A equals to 4, okay, B equals to 2. But now the work done each call is Fn is equal to, sorry, it is example 1. I am taking the example 2. So here A is equal to 4, B is equal to 2, and Fn is equal to n. So in this form it is thus n. So we have to find out the Fn to the power log A base B. So n to the power log A base B means what? Log A base B means what? Log 4 base 2. Log 4 base 2 means what? Value will be 2, so n square. N square. So n square you can write in the form of this. N square and Fn is n to the power 2 minus epsilon. Yeah, for epsilon is equal to 1. See here in the, so and case 1 applies. Case 1 applies means what? Here it will be the n to the power log A base B. Time complexity will be n to the power log A base B. Means that theta of n square. Okay. Got it, everybody?
Yes, sir.
So just you practice it, you can understand it. Now next one. Again I am telling, if those have not understood, again I am telling, देखो, n to the power log A base B, if you calculate, it will be the n square, because A value is 4 and B value is 2. So it will be the n square. How it is coming, I think you can understand, because 4 means 2 square. So 2 into log 2 base 2. So log 2 base 2 means 1. So it is n square. Now n square, but your Fn is n. So from n square to n, if you want to write in this form, so n to the, you can write it n to the power 2 minus epsilon. If epsilon is equal to 1, so it will be the 2 minus 1 means 1. N to the power 1 means n. So it is the form of Fn. So 2 minus n to the power 2 minus epsilon. So it is which form? It is the case 1 form, na? So it is the case 1 form too. You can write it in this form. So obviously here time complexity will be this. That is n to the power log A base B, means n to the power log 4 base 2 means n square. ठीक है? Now case 2 में चले आओ. In the case 2, here A is equal to 4, B is equal to 2, and Fn is equal to n square. So Fn is equal to n square. So at first you calculate n to the power log A base B. It is the n square. So n square means what? So it is n square. Also Fn is equal to n square. So Fn and n square is the same. So same means what? Case 2 applies. Case 2 applies. No minus epsilon. No plus epsilon. Exactly the same. So it is the case 2. So it will be the time complexity. Theta of n to the power log A base B log n. That is what? This one. Theta of n square log n. Understood, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes,
consider this recurrence relation. Tn for n by 2 plus n cube. Here A is equal to 4, B is equal to 2, and Fn is equal to n cube. So as it is, you calculate n to the power log A base B, that is n square. So n square, but Fn is equal to n cube. So how you can write 2 plus epsilon, where epsilon is equal to 1? So it is 2 plus epsilon means what? It is in which form? Case 3 form? Case 3 form? Case 3? So if it is the case 3 form, so what will be the time complexity? Theta of Fn. Theta of Fn माने Fn का वैल्यू जो होगा वो लिखना है What is the value of Fn that you should write here? So Fn value is n cube. So here time complexity will be theta of n cube. It is a master method. Understood everybody?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So here I have discussed about the three types of method to solve the recurrence relation. Okay. Now we have to practice it. Until you practice, you will not understand the whole thing. So up to this class, whatever I have discussed, that will be the part of your exam as well as the viva. So prepare well. And what would be the schedule? Syllabus means I will write this up to this class, whatever have been covered. That is up to this date.
So please share the notes.
Today in the first half, I am sharing the notes in the Google Classroom where you have joined. Okay. In the zip format, I am giving. You just download it and read it. See, again, I am telling you are telling about the notes, but in the notes you cannot find everything, and some notes or some topics I have left in the Durgapur in my office in the college. Okay, because when I sick at that time I have come to Asansol, and from that I am still living in Asansol. So that's why my copy, my book, everything where I have written the notes for the sake of you, that is in the Durgapur in college. Okay. So that's why at this timing you cannot